Okay, go up there. Nope, no, by your brake. And I want you to pull the brake handle. Now, can you see how that's working down there?
I think this pumps air and makes this move.
Well, I think it's the cable. You see that little cable right here? When you pull on the handle up there, this cable pulls them together. See? And then it pushes these shoes, these rubber shoes, against
like these
the rim.
Shoes?
Yep. Now, probably the best thing to do would be to replace these, but
Do you have any?
no. Try to adjust it to see if we can get it to go a little tighter. And that's going to be right here. You're going to have to loosen this. And then we have to pull the cable through. So don't keep pushing on the brake up top. Don't keep pushing on the brake up top when my fingers are down there. And don't sit on the bike.
Why?
Because you're going to fix it. So you're going to have to find a tool that will fit in there. Can you find one in there?
How about this?
Well, take a look inside here and look at the shape. Can you see the shape in there?
Oh yeah, but this is square.
Right, so that's square. That ain't gonna work, right?
Right. Maybe I should find a screwdriver piece that's the right shape.
I'll see if you can find a bit.
Like one of these?
Yeah, I think it might be one of those.
Hold on, let me look. It looks... Oh, so... Should I use one of these?
Do those look like the right shape?
Yeah. Hold on. This one looks like the same size, so I'm gonna count on the sides on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So this one looks like right size and the right shape, but this one may fit too. So I'm gonna try both of them. And I need to move this one out of
There you go. Just turn them out of the way and just see if that will fit in there.
Hold on. Nope, too big.
So you know it's not that one.
Let's use the next size over now. That one doesn't fit either. That one
That
is
fit?
Yep, that one is just the right
Okay.
size. Oh, I think
That's gonna move a little bit.
it's turning.
I think you're tightening it. Let's see. There we go, that way. We don't go too loose, just enough
Okay.
that we can try to pull this through.
Oh, hold on.
Here. What you're gonna do now is now that you got that a little loose, you're gonna put the pliers on here and see if you can pull this through. Yeah, that's pretty loose. That should come through. Yeah, I think you're getting loose. Here, why don't we try this?
Yeah.
Nope, we don't want to pull that down. You don't pull that down yet because you gotta pull the cable tight. Pull the cable out tight.
Oh, that was close.
Uh-oh. Now what did you do? Did you break it?
I don't think so. I'm gonna pull on this.
Yeah, here. Grandpa will do it for you.
Okay.
Hold on.
Since it's a little hard.
And we're just gonna pull that out like this. Alright, we're gonna pull this all the way tight, I think, first. And nope. I knocked that off, that's all right. I'm gonna tighten this down. Okay. Just gonna lift this up. Just turn the wheel for me. Turn the wheel forward. All right, she's spinning freely. Turn it the other way. Okay, now keep the wheel spinning. Now try the handbrake. It stopped.
Yep.
Now you want to make sure that you got this good and tight because you don't want it to come loose on you.
And when we're all done, we can do a test run.
Yep. Now, see this? And we lost that other little piece down there. I don't think we could put it back on, but it's all right. Where'd it go? Do you remember where it went?
No.
The piece that fell off?
No.
Well, anyways, you want to put this back behind here, because otherwise you'll end up getting it caught on yourself.
I wonder where that other piece went.
Well, look for it. Doing that's just going to make it get lost more. You might push it into the ground somewhere. I mean, if it was a piece you needed, you'd have to find it.
I can't find it. I can't find it.
If I find it, I'm going to kill you.
No, I really can't find it.
Right there, under the wheel.
I thought it was in the grass.
Let me see it.
I want to get under there.
Put the kickstand up and just take that for a little spin, see if it works. Work pretty good?
Yep. In order to stop, I didn't, as you could see, I didn't do the back brake. I used the handbrake.
Nope, you did a good job.
I can't
All right,
even-
now, let's take the bike. Here, you hold this camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna tip the bike upside down because I want to show you some stuff on here that you gotta start paying attention to because you don't always put this away at Mama's. You see all this?
Yeah,
What is that?
that's the chain.
Yeah, but what's all that brownish, reddish stuff?
Rust.
That's not good. That's not good.
Scratch it off.
What we
Oil
should
it.
be using on this is grease. But this is better than nothing.
I'll do the bottom part. Okay, up here too.
Yep, the whole chain.
Okay, that's kind of.
Now try to get it on the chain, not on the grass. All right, that's enough. You got a lot there. Here. Now stop, stop. Come over here. Spray down in there. Okay, you don't need a whole lot. Spray a little more down around inside here. Now see, look at this.
Yeah. Those turn, so I need to.
Spray. Let me see.
There's spray in here too.
Yep, because it's turning all inside here. There's little bearings in there. Now look, go ahead and spin that. Is it spinning easier?
Yeah.
Same right here. Well, you go ahead and spin that. You see how tight that is?
Yeah.
Now we're going to spray a little bit. And spin it. Keep spinning it so we can work it in. Yep, keep going. Why don't we do this?
That one will spin by itself.
Yep.
The other one is a toughie.
I'm gonna spray it down here like that and let gravity pull it in.
Good idea.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
The bearings in there are bad.
Front wheel.
Now first take a look when you spin. See where's it spinning on?
Right here.
So you want to spray in there, but don't spray a lot. Just all right, that's good. And then spin the wheel. And you can put a little down here on that rust. So it doesn't.
Helps get rid of it.
It helps to get rid of it a little bit, yeah. Okay.
That's way too much. Oh my gosh, it's already coming off a little.
And now go on this side.
Okay. Now the rust on it.
Yep.
Oh gosh, that
And
helped it a lot.
Down here now, you got to get your back wheel.
Right. Yeah.
Same thing. Just spin the wheel first, so you can see where it's spinning on.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Get the other side.
Right. But first I'm gonna do the little bit of rust on here too. No. Ooh, that's rust there. I'll have to get that.
All right. Get around the hub.
Mm.
All right. That's good. That's good. Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Spin it a couple more times. When you spin it, it makes the oil work itself in.
Now I'm gonna work it into this one too.
Braden, what do we do with the tools when we're done?
Put 'em away!
Put them all back exactly where they were so we know where they are next time we use them, right?
Right.
Get going.
I take a picture of my dog shit in the yard for YouTube channel. It's my asshole neighbor's dog. He trained him well.
Do you see this stuff over here? I was originally blaming your dog, but well, that one there is almost gone. But look over here. You see that? And
That's
over there-
coyote for sure,
Nope.
right there.
No, it isn't.
What is it?
I had to look it up the other day when it was raining. It was smoking. I got video of it.
Oh, it's a
It's what they call
fungus.
Yeah, dog vomit fungus.
Yeah, it's black.
It's
black,
the
and some black powder comes out of it.
I don't know. I just saw smoke coming out of it. But you know, everything I read said it doesn't harm anything. All it is the mulch decomposing that's beneath it.
Yeah, that looks like coyote shit dried out.
It does. I'm telling you, I was blaming your dog at first. I was gonna, that damn Murph, I'm gonna come over and kill him.
My dog usually does little Lincoln logs.